Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Graybeard Garage. My name is Matt. We're back here in the little shed, and we're going to talk about this little project we were working on with our 3-ton floor jack, the Craftsman floor jack. So in the previous two videos we started doing our tear down and everything, and I had purchased a couple different sets that we were going to use, or try and use, to rebuild this jack, but I can't find the right set. Nothing seems to match. So I'm kind of at a standstill on the project. I don't want to say I've given up yet, but I really don't know what else to do. There's a bunch of things here that I can't find. So there's actually like I don't know if I showed you this or not, but let's take a look. So there's actually a ring. Let me come around here, see if you can make sure you can see that. So this ring sits down in here, just like this. I don't know if you can see that. So it sits down in here, and I cannot find a set that has that ring in it for the life of me. Or the plunger. Where's the plunger? Oh, where is that thing? Here. So the plunger has a small ring like that other one, and then an O-ring that goes on here. So let's take a look at the plunger. So as you can see on the plunger, let this thing focus. You can see we've got this clear ring and then our O-ring, and I can't find that in a set either. So I'm not real sure what to do at this point. Like I said, I hate to say I've given up, but I gotta figure out if we can find some sort of a seal set. I've gone through a bunch of different chats and different pages and stuff, and I really can't seem to find anything that's answering the question. So if any of you have rebuilt a Sears 3-ton floor jack from the probably 90s, early 90s, late 80s, early 90s, let me know what kit you've used, because I really don't know what to do at this point other than turning this into scrap metal. So like I said, I don't like to admit defeat. However, at this point I don't know what else to do until I can figure out what seal set is the right seal set. So I guess hang in there. Let me see if I can do some more research and figure out what we got here and if we can actually find anything for it, and then we'll move forward and see if we can get it repaired. If not, we just may have to call this as a loss and move on, especially when I can go and buy another floor jack that's a long reach, low profile for $100 from Harbor Freight. I mean, almost makes sense, because honestly I bought 2 seal kits. One was like $64 and the other one was like $25. So at that point, I mean, I may as well just buy a new one, right? It kind of just makes sense to do it that way. So fortunately I was able to return those seal kits to Amazon, but we'll see what we can find. If not, this one might be a big loss. We'll put a big L on the board for this one. So guys, thanks for checking us out again here at Graybeard Garage. I did want to give you an update on the project, because I hate to start a project and not let you know where we are as far as getting it finished. But at this point, I don't really know what else to do other than to try and keep looking. And if I can't find it, we're just going to call it, because what else are you going to do? So guys, thanks for checking me out here on Graybeard Garage. My name is Matt. Remember, you can do anything if you put your mind to it, unless you can't find the supplies to do it. And that's kind of where we're at. So guys, thanks for checking us out here today. We'll see you next time on Graybeard Garage.